Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to do my weekly setup in my B6 Traveler's Notebook. That is my social media planner. The cover is from MLG & Co. It is the raven leather with black stitching and black elastics. Again, it's B6 size, and I do have a code, and I will put all that information in the description box below. So this week I'm going to take an easy route as far as my weekly setup. I'm gonna do something different than I did last week, and I'll show you last week in a moment. But these are digitals. I don't think I ever put this one in the shop. If you are interested in this, let me know in the description box below. I don't even remember why I did two different formats on the page like this, but yeah, I'm going to use this one or this one, which is set up like the Hobonichi Weeks kind of. So I think I'm going to save this one for another time and use this one for this week. And I'm going to go ahead and trim it down. I got a lot going on. My dad just called me and told me he was bringing some mangoes. I don't eat mangoes. I think I'm allergic to them, but both of my sons do, so I'm waiting on him. Somebody decided to start doing their laundry. This blade does not cut. There goes my 12 o'clock alarm going off because I watch a live stream. I need a new blade. I watch a live stream almost daily, learning how to do better on Instagram. I think I pretty much have it down pat now, but I still watch anyway. And I've been watching that since the beginning of the cough, so. But I'm trying to trim this down, even though my blade is pretty much garbage. Let's see if we can. Well, some of these little fuzzies, it won't matter because the washi tape's going to cover it. But I don't think I can clean that up unless I put it on the other paper trimmer. So let's skip it. Okay, so, and then you saw the washi flag. This was my test version that I did before I did the video on Instagram. I can't think, too much happening, and I didn't want to throw it away because I ended up with a little piece of white space at the bottom. It's very difficult to get all of this spaced correctly, so but I didn't want to throw this one away, so I decided that I would put it in here. Let's put this on here where it's supposed to go, and glue it down on one of the empty pages. I don't know. I may put a black background behind it, or I don't know. I think I'm gonna put it here. But I think it would look better mounted on something, so we may save this for later. Okay. So I'll set that aside and I'll come back and do that later. So this is where we are. Let me put this clip. If you're curious, these ink clips are from Cookie Sticker Co. So this is last week. I did use it. It worked great. I didn't need more space or anything like that. I like this over here also because I could even just draw a few things that I had in mind. So that worked out great. I just wrote in some ideas for this week, which was next week. So yeah, it worked great. But I just wanted to do something quick and easy, which is why I printed this out. And I don't know that this is going to work because I want to use the washi tape. And it's a little big because I did print it out the full B6 size. Let's trim some more off. And I don't want to print it again. Or maybe I should put it over here and then have this page. So I'm just going to use it. I think I am going to put it on this side. Let me take this out. That might help the situation. So I'm going to glue this over here. And I'm going to use, well, I was going to use that, but it's done. Okay, so here is another glue stick. Is it in good shape? Yeah. So, I prefer not to glue directly on my desk, but all of my mats are in use right now, so I'm just gonna have to take a chance. I already got glue on it. Oops. Okay. So there's that week ready to go. Just need to put the dates on there. I can add a little deco. I really wanted to use this washi tape. I didn't do anything for Pride Month, and I don't really have any rainbow type washi, but I don't know. This kind of gives me that vibe, even though it's not. So I'm using this. So this is from Cookie Sticker Co., if I didn't mention it already. And I just think it's really pretty. I think it was a freebie because I bought a bundle or something. I don't know. Okay. So it looks a little off to me because I don't have any of this on this side. So how can I do that? How can I incorporate it? I'll think about it. But I also wanted to use, okay, my daughter just got it. She just filled out her first application and she's got an interview tomorrow at 11. Oh my gosh, crazy. Okay, so yeah, I wanted to use this sticker on this spread. And I want to use this Keep Moving Forward. These are from Isis Ella Jewels, the jewel box. Well, Isis Ella Jewels, it wasn't in the jewel box. So I'm going to use that here. Let's see, about right here. And then I'm going to put the Keep Moving Forward here. Oh, I know what would go great with this. The flowers that I created, and I did scan them into the computer and I was working on them, but I didn't finish them. So maybe I should run and go do that real quick. We're going to take a break. It'll only be a second for you. And I'll be back to finish this. I'm going to print those flowers out. I'll be back. So these are the flowers. They don't match exactly with the washi, but they're close. Let's see. And I did them different sizes. This was like a rush job. So I think I got these two touching. No, they didn't touch. They didn't cut quite right. But I think that's gonna be nice. Okay. So I got those. And I've been thinking, I don't know how I would do this, but I'm thinking about doing memberships on YouTube, and like the things that I create to use specifically for my planner, that I could share those printables here on YouTube to those who are members. I don't know. I already have a Patreon where I share digitals. I try to do it weekly, and then every month there is a dated digital that I share. And I did show what that looks like in the video where I did the DIY planner. I'll link that in the iCard up above. But yeah, let me know if that is something of interest. Okay, so we're gonna use some dates from here. This is The Paper Studio Agenda 52, numbers and days. Remember, pretty much every other week, Hobby Lobby has the Paper Studio on sale. So let's look for some dates. Let's use the colorful ones. I'm gonna use these because I'm 9 times out of 10 probably wouldn't use those ordinarily. This is what, the 21st through the 27th. So, starting with green. I guess we'll go for it. Now let's incorporate these flowers. That green kind of throws me off a little bit. Let's see. Let's chop that one. Put it there. And we're gonna put one over here to help balance. This is what it's all about. I know I get comments about how I make things that seem like they don't go together, or work together. And the secret is balance. So if you put something like this, stuff really doesn't go together. And I'm gonna try and tie it in together. So I balance the color, the objects on either side of the page or around the page to kind of help pull it all together. So that's how I do it, or that's, kind of what I try to do. Sometimes it works. Most of the time it does work. There are times where it doesn't work, but for the most part, it works. So let's see, I'm gonna put something else over here to help tie that in. I feel like I need something down here. Let's put a little something. Let's not do another green. Let's do this pinkety one. Let's see what we can do with this here. And do it like that. Let's try this. Then here we go for my Monday through Sunday stickers. And I'm going to use a white one this week. And we're just going to go right down here. Okay, got this. Yep, this is Simply Gilded with the little pink hearts. So I'm gonna run that across there to kind of divide the page. Let's pop this back in here. Or maybe I could put this in here. Yeah, for now, I'm just gonna stick it in here. Till I decide what I wanna do with it. Okay, let's find the center. So there we go. That is the spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.